I am the doctor, and today's patient is 2004 Chrysler Sebring. Today I'm going to show you how to take out a thermostat right here. Just open her up. There it is. And this thermostat housing is all coming off. And I'm going to show you what tools you need to use right now. Here we are. You need flathead screwdriver, 10mm extension, ratchet, and some pliers right here if need be. Here we go. It's the extension, 10mm, and here I am right over here. There we go. And it's down in there right there. You just have to put it in there. Come right in here. And tidy. Okay, before I take it completely off, use the flathead screwdriver to loosen this up right here. To loosen up the hose. As you see, it's got another hose right here. I'm going to pull this off. There we go. Make sure this is loose so I can slide this out. There it is. Now, let's take the bolt out. Now, before I take this bolt out, I want everyone to see how inside the thermostat's supposed to look. Loosened up right there. Loosened up right here. Easily bring it out, move that. Voila. This is it right here. Housing and everything. As you see. Oh, yes it was eating up right in here because it was leaking. Okay.